Hello my friends and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonder scrub at home using natural ingredients that will miraculously remove your blackheads and make your skin beautiful and glowing. Are you worried about your blackheads? You have tried everything but your blackheads will not go away. Oily skin is more prone to develop various skin-related issues like acne, pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads. To make this scrub, first you will need to crush 2 tablespoons of oats in a food processor. Mash 1 banana and add crushed oats to it. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix all the ingredients very well. Apply this mixture with your fingers to your face. Oats can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties will help to treat your dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Scrub your face gently using circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Oats will also contain compounds called saponins, which are natural cleansers. They remove the dirt and oil that clogs the pores and exfoliate the skin. Bananas are rich in powerful antioxidants, phytochemicals, and moisture. It will nourish and revitalize your dry skin as well as smoothen up rough and aging skin. If you have acne-prone oily skin, you can use it topically for oil control and to reduce further breakouts. Mashed banana and honey brighten the skin, reduce acne, and moisturize your skin. Leave it on your skin for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, wash it off with cold water to close the pores and apply a good moisturizer. Use this mask 3 times a week for beautiful, supple skin and say bye-bye to blackheads once and for all. So that's it for today, my friends. I hope you liked my video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.